Morning children. So let's start the notes of chapter 10, respiration in organisms. First question, why does an athletic breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? So you already on teaching time I told you the muscles cells in that the respiration is happening. So I'll say that read the answer. An athlete needs to supply extra energy to his muscle cells which work hard during the running. For this, he breathes faster and deeper so that more oxygen is supplied to the cells. This speeds up breakdown of food. As a result, more energy is released. List the similarities and differences between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So let's see the first question once again. Why does an athletic breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? If you are running fast, if you are walking fast, your breath rate will be faster. Why? The reason they are given, their answers are given below. Next, second question. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. They are given the boxes. You want to write same way only. First point, I am talking about aerobic respiration. It is the process of breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen. Its end products are carbon dioxide and water. It takes longer time to release energy. It produces large amount of energy. Examples, it occurs in most plants and animals. And it is the anaerobic respiration points. It is the process of breakdown of food in the absence of oxygen. End products of anaerobic respiration can be lactic acid or carbon dioxide and alcohol. It is a faster process as compared to the aerobic respiration. It produces small amount of energy as compared to the aerobic respiration. Example, yeast, bacteria, human muscle cells, etc. respire anaerobically. Next, coming to the third question. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? Sneezing expels the foreign particles from the inhaled air so that only clean air enters our body. It's usually occur because of the irritation in the upper breathing passage. This irritation happens when we inhale some unwanted particles and they get trapped in our nasal cavities. Smoke, dust, pollen, etc. are some of the unwanted particles that may cause sneezing. So for second one, difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. And third one, why do we often sneeze when inhale a lot of dust laden air? You already learned in the respiratory system, the nostril, nasal cavity, in the nostrils, the air content air is there. Why their airs are there? To clean the air. We breathing time to clean the air. Should then not allow the foreign particles to enter inside the lungs. So next, sneezing. What is the, once again we will read the third answer. Sneezing expels the foreign particles from the inhaled air so that only clean air enters our body. It usually occurs because of the irritation in the upper breathing passage. This irritation happens when we inhale some unwanted particles and they get trapped in our nasal cavity. Smoke, dust, pollen, etc. are some of the unwanted particles that may cause sneezing. So I hope you clear. Second question, the difference between aerobic and anaerobic. One is absence of air, oxygen, and the other is presence of the oxygen. And next one is end product is carbon dioxide and water. Another end product is the difference you understood. Next, moving to the fourth question. Take 3 test tubes, fill 3/4 of each fish water with water. Label them A, B, C. They are given. You can see the picture A, B, C test tubes. Keep a snail inside the test tube A, water plant in the test tube B and C, and keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? So answer, test tube A will have the higher concentration of carbon dioxide. This is because test tube A contains a snail. The snail is an organism that breathes in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide. Hence, concentration of increases in the test tube A. Yes, now, if you are all human beings, all the living organism breathing in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So, in the test tube A, the concentration of carbon dioxide is highest. Test tube B contain water plant, so which way takes carbon dioxide for food synthesis and gives out oxygen. Don't misunderstand, children. Here respiration they are not talking about, they are talking about food synthesis. What is food synthesis? Photosynthesis. So during the photosynthesis, what will happen? They are taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. When the respiration time, they are taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Okay. So next, the test tube C contain both the snail and plant. The carbon dioxide produced by the snail is utilized by the plant for its food synthesis, and oxygen is released by the plant is utilized by the snail for the respiration. They are interlinked, means they are using for one is using for others, another is using there. Already the mutual understanding is happening there. Therefore, the test tube A has the highest concentration of carbon dioxide. So, you clear the this answer. So, first in the test tube was snail. You just think about instead of snail or any living organisms. Any living organisms, if there also, they will breathe. They are taking oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide will be more there. But in the coming to the test tube B, what happened? Their carbon dioxide they are using for photosynthesis, means to prepare their own food and giving out oxygen. So carbon dioxide they are using. So that you cleared. I hope you cleared. So next, coming to the fifth question. The mountaineers carry the oxygen within them because A. At an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. The amount of air available to person is less than that available on the ground. The temperature of the air is highest than that of the ground. The pressure of air is higher than that of the ground. The mountaineers, means mountaineers, you know, who are climbing the mountains, they are called as mountaineers. They carry the oxygen cylinder with them because why we want to carry the oxygen cylinder? Why we want to carry? You know why we want to carry the oxygen cylinder? Why we are going to so low topmost layer atmosphere? You know, in the geography you learned already the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Down layer, middle layer, next so many layers are there. When you are going to our upper layer, what altitude of more than 5 km? If you are going more than 5 km of upper layer of the atmosphere, what will get? You will not get the air to breathe. You will not get the air to breathe. Because of that, you are carrying the oxygen cylinder. If you are going underwater, also same reason only. Okay, children. So next, tick the correct answer. The cockroach's air enters the body through spiracles. You know that small holes, we'll call it as spiracles. So during heavy exercise, we get cramps in legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. While teaching, when I taking the class in the first section only, I said you the lactic acid, due to the production of the lactic acid, the cramps are there, are doing the heavy work. The normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15 to 18. During the exhalation, so next, so you are clear what is the first answer? In cockroaches, the air enters the body through spiracles. The small holes are we can see in their body surface, that holes. Through the holes in the plants also holes, you can see the stomata. Stomata is the gaseous exchange happening in the plants called stomata. There holes is there in the under layer of the leaves, or in the leaves, surface of the leaves you can see the small hole that called it as stomata. Same way here, then cockroaches, in the almost all the insects spiracles are there. So next, moving to the fourth one. During exhalation, the ribs move downwards. Exhalation. So during inhalation, what will happen? Move upwards. So both also, one you know means just opposite will come. Okay. They can ask during inhalation the rims will, what they will do, or during exhalation the rims will move downwards. So match the column. Match up yeast, alcohol, diaphragm, chest cavity, skin, earthworm. Why skin? Earthworm is coming. Earthworm will breathe through the skin. Why yeast, alcohol is coming? During anaerobic respiration, fermentation, the alcohol production is there. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is the lower part, the chest cavity you can see there. And leaves, stomata. Leaves, stomata. How it is connection coming? Stomata is the gaseous exchange, means small opening seen in the leaves. Gaseous exchange happening in stomata only. Fish, gills. Gills is the respiratory system of the fish. Frog, they will breathe through lungs, also skin also. They are amphibians. Frogs are the amphibians. They are called it as amphibians. Why? They are live in both land and water. Okay. So that the fourth answer, during the exhalation, once again I'll read it out. During the exhalation, the rims move downwards, and the matchups, they are given yeast. What will come for exact answer? Alcohol. And diaphragm, chest cavity, like that you can match up when you're writing correct answer. So next, moving to the make correct mark true or false. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of persons will slow down. You want to say whether it is true or false. What you are thinking, children? During heavy exercise, you are doing heavy exercise, running, walking high, very fast you are running. What will happen? The rate will slow down. No, it will go high. So it is the false statement. So plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day, the respiration only at the night. No, that is correct. The plants carry out photosynthesis only at daytime is correct. But respiration is not only at night, it is every time is happening. That's why the statement is false. Next, frog breathe through their skin as well as lungs. Correct. We learned that frogs breathe through their skins as well as lungs. They live both in land and water. That's why we are called the frogs as the amphibians. Next, fishes have lungs for respiration. Fishes have lungs for respiration. No, the statement is wrong. Then who have the lungs for respiration? Human beings. So instead of fish, what they have? Gills. If you want to recorrect that and you want to write the correct answer, you want to write it as here. You can change whether fish or lungs. If you are changing the fishes, you want to write human beings or animals. Or you can take instead of lungs, you can put gills. The size of the chest cavity increase during inhalation. That is true. I hope you all clear notes. Okay, thank you, children.